What up, y'all? Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's Gordon Xavier here to support you in your evolution, your growth. I want to invite you to do something today. This is a game changer if you're looking to be more relaxed physically in your body, command your words with more precision, effortlessness. If you want to circulate more of your creative energy, right, and really deliver your attention into the world more profoundly, then it's important that you remove the passive tension in your musculature. Relax your body. A lot of us are walking around high-strung or anal retentive. You're a tight ass, quite literally. And what this does is it blocks you out of your roots. And it's in your root where your power is. You'll find your voice resonating more profoundly in your body. Men, you'll notice your voice will drop. It gets lower, down to earth, your roots. When you get the passive tension out of your body, you get access to these different energy centers. Now, what is passive tension? There's two types of tension. There's the tension that you're very aware of, you're present to, it's obvious that it's there. And there's the tension that's passive. You don't even know it's there. It's unconscious. It's almost like you're numb to the tension. You want to work with both of these, but a lot of people work with the tension that they're aware of, but they don't go the extra mile to discover tension in their body that they're numb to. This is huge. I look at tension, especially pockets of tension in particular parts of the body, as trapped consciousness. It's trapped attention, attention, intention, retention. It's all tension, energy, consciousness. If you're noticing that you have a lot of tension in your shoulders, that's an indication there's unprocessed consciousness, attention, and it's stagnant, it's building up, and these muscles can't hold it all. They're struggling to hold it all. They need help. They're holding it. Oh, it's so much here, and it's intense to hold it for this long. If you hold up a weight for a long time, your arms are gonna start getting tired, and that struggle is going to call upon your attention, and you're gonna have less attention available. What is your attention availability like? Are you available? Are there times in your life where you really want to be available, but you're struggling to be available? You're at a gathering where there's a bunch of people around. You want to mingle, you want to connect, and you want to make friends, and you want to show love and receive love, but you're all up in your thoughts. You're in your head. You're tense, anxiousness. You're anxious, social anxiety. What that is this processing speed being used up, and your attention is not available. Available here in the now, present, clear, true. I'm able to make potent, clear choices about how I want to spend my time, my attention, my energy, how I want to use my words, how I want to receive other words. You're in control. You're at more choice because your attention is available, as opposed to bound up in passive tension in the body, bound up in your hamstrings. Your low back's been tight for months now, and it's still tight, but you don't know what to do about it. How do you get that out, right? It's bothering you. Think about times in your life where you're sitting down and you're working at the computer and your back is hurting, and it's making it hard to focus on the task at hand because you feel that tension in your body. It's a tension that is not flowing, so you want your attention to flow. So how do you get rid of this passive tension? How do you transmute this passive tension into flowy attention and intention? Well, number one, first way to do that is just shake it out, shake it off. What's that Taylor Swift song? Shake it off. I don't know how it goes, but shake it off, man. Get into your body, shake, vibrate your body. Right? Really get into there. Shake your hands, shake your face, look crazy. Let the mask. Think about when you wear a clay mask, your face gets real tight. You're masked up. If you want to really access your gifts and get creative in your life, you got to soften the mask so you can express yourself, so you can play. There's energies in every face we make. You want access to these energies. Joy. And when that mask disappears, so your face can move authentically in the energy. When you're angry, there's energy in the face. When you're sad, removing the mask gives you access to your attention, to the ways in which you can attune your frequencies to certain things. You can access so many different energies through your face, through demasking. So shake your face, shake your body. The tension that's in my shoulders right now gets jarred loose when I shake the shoulders. Right? Shake your belly, make sounds. Let the sound of your voice, let the vibrations massage the organs and the tension in your body that can't be accessed through this way, can't be accessed from outside in, but with your voice you can You can vibrate things from the inside out. If you're vibrating, all the muscles, the esophagus gets vibrated. There's tension in the esophagus. And you know this by if you stick a finger in your throat. I know it sounds crazy. If you stick a finger in there, you have a gag reflex. That's tension that is reactive. It's just waiting to be triggered. If somebody says the wrong thing to you or maybe insults you, if they act towards you in a certain way, have you ever noticed your throat closing up and it's hard to speak? It's connected to the gag reflex. So what you can do is clean your hands, take your finger, you can just go slow, but go slow, start at the back of your tongue, and find the button on the back of your tongue that begins to initiate the gag reflex. And find a sweet spot right before you're about to, and breathe and relax. And you'll notice it becomes easier to speak from a lower place. There's not all this tension cutting off your vocal cords and your root. Whenever I do this, I notice immediately afterwards, my voice gets deeper and it's not forced. I don't need to try to go down deep and force that. No, the voice gets deeper through relaxation. Now there's more space for my vocal cords to resonate and expand, and I can command more power. Command my vocals. There's more power in my voice. But when there's tension in the esophagus, you get choked up. So get the passive tension out of the voice, get out of the chest. Get out of the chest especially so you can breathe more deeply. You want to be able to breathe into your belly. When your chest and your abdomen is tight, your lungs won't be able to fully expand. And where there are expanded, relaxed lungs, there's more breath, more spirit to accompany your words. Think about these rap artists and these singers when they're hitting these big old notes and they doing these flows. Right? Whenever they're doing that, they're using their breath. Taking a big, deep breath. Spirits on limit to see how I'm living. I'm switching positions and giving them sentences, pivoting visions with mystical lyrics. I'm feeling the rhythm and hearing the wisdom that's coming from source. Coming with force, I come from the stars without new walls. Doing my mantras, I'm finding my peace. Clocking my muscles, I'll leave destroyed. All of the people can see that I'm working, I'm constantly shedding, I'm constant. Right? That's something I wrote. But it's one of those faster ones where in order to get that out, I had to get my breath together. Breathe, have access. Really, at the end of the day, it's all about access. Do you have access to your consciousness? And you'll find with the passive tension in your system, in your hamstrings, in your legs, in your feet, your face, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your belly, when there's passive tension, it limits the access you have to your body's intelligence and the power inside of your body that could harmonize and synergize with your intentions. Remove the passive tension, your attention gets freed up, and your ability to intend, your intentions, gets stronger. Where there is a scattered, tense, anxious, divided, fragmented being, there is weak intention. When all those fragments, all those pieces are together in wholeness, the Holy Spirit and the tension, there's no tension in your body. You can feel the water moving and you're relaxed. And then the intentions that you cast, the words you speak, and your ability to focus with your attention, it strengthens, it deepens, and it becomes more potent. I invite you to work on it. Get in your body. If you like supporting that, hit me up. I do sessions with men and women to create more resonance in your voice. I take you through a series of embodiment activities that will allow you to breathe more deeply into your belly, get rid of the tension in your voice, open up your heart, and let it sing, let it vibrate. If that interests you, hit me up. You can find me on Instagram at GoodGodGordon44, because goodness and God always comes first, comes before me. It's Good God Gordon. Or you can go to my website, Evolve Through Love, evolvethroughlove.org, and book a session with me directly. All right, y'all. Till next time. Peace.